you're a fan of the Uno game and you're looking to add something to it, maybe for a little bit bigger crowds or older people, consider this Uno Dare. It's essentially the same game of Uno, however, instead of having the reverse cards to change the direction of the gameplay, most of the cards are the same, but you get the Dare added to the mix. So choose or dare, right? Or dare. And then the dares relate to a set of cards here, if I can find them, that are the dare cards. And those dare cards have a list of challenges on them. And why can't I find them? Here they are. So there's a bunch of different ones that come from in the deck, and then you can make your own, of course. So this lends it to being a really fun party game, or a game for a group or an organization. So you can see things like act like a dog until your next turn, balance a card on your head until your next turn, show your best dance move. So there's lots of different ones. Show off, Daredevil, family. Again, you can make your own. And I really like games that allow you that give you the elements to develop your own gameplay, your own rules. So there is a rule sheet here. You do get enough decks to make it a fun game for up to 6 people or something. Or it says 2 to 10 people. But again, this is if everyone's familiar with Uno and you want to take it to another level, or give it that long, every time you meet up, you can play a game that has a little more fun to it. So Uno Dare card game. Hope this helps.